What's up guys, welcome to this another video session on Python series. So in this video we are going to cover what are filters in Python. This filter function you already might be understanding with the name, filter function is used to filter the data. Let me create another file like lecture 31 and let's talk about filter. What did happen anything? So let's talk about anything like you have to filter. You can filter the data like similar way. You have to filter the data. Let's talk about let's give some marks kind of. I have marks somebody got 1 mark, someone got 30 marks, someone got 50 marks, someone got 99 marks, someone got 100 marks. Anyone can get 100 marks. Anyone can get 1 mark. Seriously. I think now I am able. You might be able to see. Let me do. Let me create a function to find out uh, uh, the data if the marks greater than who are getting less than 50. Let's talk about that. Let me create a function by using the func name, and what it is going to do, if less than 50, return. By the way, true is coming, but it's showing as a is not defined. A is not defined. I didn't define the a, so how it will work.
अच्छा हमको सिखा रिया है
Else return false. This function is what it's doing. It is taking a variable, a parameter a, and it's checking if it's less than 50, it returns true. Otherwise, it will return false. Now let's talk about. Let's give mark data. Any variable name you can put it. Let's call this filter variable, and here let's pass what I have to pass here first I have to pass the my function name. After that I have to pass this whatever data list I created. What is the list name? Okay, let me put it down, otherwise you might not be able to see the what I'm typing here. Let me run this. I'm not getting any data. Why I'm not getting any data? Let me do like this. Let me write a list kind of stuff, and after that let me print this. And I'm not printing this. How I will get the data? Yeah, match that kind of stuff. I'm getting 1 and 30. Why I'm getting 1 and 30? Because 1 and 30 is the data which is less than 50. So it returns a boolean variable. Filter returns a boolean variable. It's true or false. If whatever data it is true, it is getting that data, that data will be coming here. False data will not be coming here. True was less than 50. We have that 1 and 30 so data we are getting the filter. Instead of list, what you can do, you can iterate using the for loop as well. But I made it easy using the list statement. So this was like a filter statement, filter function. I will meet you in some other video. Till then, bye.